This video is about our tire changes without help arm. This includes the TWX610 here, and the TWX31 which we'll see later. What can I fit with a tire changer without help arm? We recommend them for standard tires. That means nothing too wide, nothing with a particularly flat profile. They work without any problems then. This machine has an outer clamping area of up to 19 inches for alloy wheels for example, and an inner clamping area of up to 22 inches for steel wheels for example. That means that a standard tire from, for example, a Ford Fiesta, a trailer, a small van, Mercedes Vito, etc., is no problem at all for this machine. The machine has a working pressure of 6 to 8 bar and a drive voltage of 230 volts. Of course, this makes the machine very flexible because it doesn't require a 3-phase connection. Besides that, I can combine this machine and only this machine, the X610, with the TWF100. This is our hand-operated entry-level wheel balancer, in quotes. It can be easily bolted on here and then the two machines take up relatively little space. For example, it's very interesting for people who only have a small garage and still want to change their own tires and balance their own wheels. It's an ideal solution of course. This is our TWX31. At first glance, it looks relatively similar to the TWX610, but it still has a few differences. For example, this machine has a tilting arm system. The X610 has a swing arm system with which the mounting head is swung towards the wheel from the side. This machine works as follows. Thanks to the tilting arm system, I can use a foot pedal to tilt back the entire mounting arm. Of course, this has the benefit of providing a bigger working space here. When I want to put on the tire for example, or something similar. Furthermore, the TWX31 has a completely pneumatically lockable arm, while the X610 has a completely manual arm. What does that mean? There's a small button here. If I pull it, I can move the arm up and down as well as backwards and forwards. And if I go to my wheel now, for example, I can really press the head on the wheel because as soon as I push this button, the mounting head automatically jumps back a little and up a little. That means I don't have to adjust the safety distance separately again, as is the case of the X610. Because nothing is manual, but rather completely pneumatic. On the other hand, the wheel size that can be clamped with this machine. It has an outer clamping area of up to 24 inches for alloy rims, and an inner clamping area of up to 26 inches for steel rims. We recommend this machine for the same tires as the TWX610. That means fairly common standard tires, van tires, etc. Everything within this range. It has a drive voltage of 400 volts, 3-phase current. The TWX31 has a relatively big advantage. I always have the possibility of equipping the help arm. That is really the complete help arm unit from the TWX36. That means it can be theoretically acquired at a later point, and then I can turn this machine into one that is also capable of fitting low-profile tires, UHP tires, run-flat tires, etc. So I can fit any tire that requires a help arm with this machine. Besides that, the TWX31 as well as the TWX36 can also be equipped with the automatic mounting head. I hope I could help you a bit further with this video. You can now choose a suitable model below, if you have already decided on a specific one. You'll find more specific videos there as well. There are product videos for each machine, and assembly videos where we simply explain further how to install the machines. You will also find the scope of delivery in the product videos, what is included with the machines. If you have any further questions or doubts, you can always give us a call. We are glad to advise you individually on the right machine for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching.